what you need. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Thank you so much for coming. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is She, and today we are going to be doing dreadlocks. If you love this kind of content, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button so that you can join the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to see me. There are a lot of products in the market that you can try. I have tried this before. This is a molding gel, the normal molding gel or wax. And also you can use oils, a mixture of your oils. But today I'm going to be using my aloe vera gel that I got from Dewpoint Naturals. I really love this aloe vera gel because it conditions my scalp, prevents frizz, and also aids in thickness. Healthy locks cannot go without adding in aloe vera gel in your regimen. So if you haven't tried aloe vera gel, please give it a try. So before I start retwisting, I'll go ahead and moisturize my hair. You can use water, but I'm using rose water. This is rose water. It smells so good. You can get this rose water almost anywhere. So I just put it here in this bottle because it's easy to spray. But let me show you how my hair looks like now. There's a lot of growth. Yeah, so let's go ahead and moisturize. Always guys, and I insist, always remember to moisturize your hair before you start styling it. Moisture can play a role in helping retain growth. Just a little bit of water helps to make hair more flexible, allowing it to be manipulated without breaking. Dry hair will tend to snap very easily, even with gentle force. Therefore, moisture is important, even in protective style. So I've put my hair like this because I want to start from the back. You can start from any side, but as for me, I like starting from the back and work my way to the front. You can use some clips if you have any, but I will be using these bands to secure them as I go. So this is how the aloe vera gel looks like. This is the packaging. It has this, and then it has another lid inside, and that's how it looks. It looks a bit whitish like this because I mixed it with sweet almond oil. If you can remember, this is the same product that I use on my face. I do not apply the product on the whole lock like this. I just concentrate on the roots.
To speak, you're quick to change your mind. And I know it's me that followed you in blind.
And this is what I'm doing to retwist my locks. After I put all of them in a top knot, I start by removing one strand at a time, and then using my fingers, I'm just trying to make sure that the sectioning is as neat as I possibly can, and then dip my finger in my product, which is aloe vera gel, apply it on the root or on my growth, and then I palm roll it, making sure that I'm not so tight so that it doesn't hurt my hair. I do not like tight hairstyles.
I could say that you didn't need, but you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my bliss. Bring me back.
So let's do this again. Take some products, put it on the growth and your scalp, and then section it neatly, palm roll it. I always retwist my locks in an anti-clockwise direction. I do not know why. I am right-handed, but you can retwist them whichever way you like. And this is the reason why I love doing my own hair, because you can imagine if I go to a stylist, they do it anti-clockwise, and then I go to the same salon, the stylist is not there, and I have to get somebody else to do my hair, and then they do it anti-clockwise. My locks are not going to be even, and they will be like bumpy, if you know what I mean. So when I am doing it myself, I use the same technique all the time. You can also use a tail comb like the one you saw me using at the beginning of this video. You just run the comb through the grown out hair, starting at your scalp. Work the comb down to the dreads, retwisting as you go. Continue retwisting your dread with the tail comb until the lock is at your scalp. I just love using my fingers because I like to run my fingers through the locks so that I can just feel it. I love feeling my hair. If you do not have aloe vera gel, please go and get yourself one because it is helpful for maintaining healthy real locks. It also helps you maintain a healthy scalp. It cleanses the pores on your scalp and it seals in all the moisture that your scalp really needs. It also prevents frizzy hair and dry hair from taking place. Yeah, so get yourself some aloe vera gel.
Like you would have a clue. All I see is how I was to see my heart.
The whole process takes me 45 minutes to 1 hour, and by the time I'm reaching the middle of my head, the front part is already dry and I don't want to retwist it when it's dry, so I moisturize it again and then continue. Oh, I put a bit too much. Never mind. By the way, before you start retwisting, make sure you wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Remember that it is extremely important to use only natural hair care products on your dreadlocks, as chemicals and waxy residues can quickly build up inside of your hair. Always wash the product thoroughly and then wrap your head in a towel or a t-shirt, whatever works for you, and then now you are ready to start retwisting. I'm almost done, so let's finish up. Let's keep going. Only a few left.
Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything.
I'm done, and now I'm gonna show you the results, how the after retwist looks like, because I already showed you the before. So let's take some time to love, appreciate, and admire my natural hair.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the
So now I'll take this avocado oil to apply at the end of my locks. You see, I still have a lot of aloe vera gel left. A tiny bit goes a long way. I can still use this on my face and next time during my next retwist. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something that you can now retouch your hair from home. I'm just putting this here. I'm doing like braiding so that I want to get it into curls. So maybe that's a video for another time, not today. Today we were doing the retwisting. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will catch up with you next week on my next week's video. Until next time, bye.